O blessed Jesus, O blessed Jesus, grant us a childlike simplicity that yearns to commune with Thee forever and ever. O glorious light of love, grant us the virtues of humility and simplicity, and let us store up treasures in heaven. O radiant Son of God, grant us a heart free of selfishness, free of the subtle pressure of egoistic desires. O nectar of sweetness, let the cup of our heart overflow with the sweetness of divine love. O blessed Christ, we are like flowers at Thy lotus feet. Fill us with Thy love, soak us with Thy peace, and let our personality waft the fragrance of Thy divinity forever and ever. Om Jesus, Jesus Christ.